Welcome to our 2019 Leisure Travel Van Rally. We are indeed really happy that you're here.
I want to extend a warm welcome to Winkler, Manitoba. My name is Ryan Elias, and I'm the General Manager here at Triple E. We truly are a family here at Triple E and Leisure Travel Events.
We genuinely hope that you feel it, that sense of community. Our vision is for you to experience belonging and for you to experience human interactions with people that you've never ever met before. But the one thing that you have in common is a leisure travel van.
For all of you, by making the trek to Winkler, has made you richer by the experiences of the rally, the cultures of LTV, and the new precious friendships.
We truly hope that you feel richer by taking the time and the travel to come up to see us this week. We've had a blast hosting you. We hope that you had an enjoyable time. You learned a thing or two in the seminars, you enjoyed the food, and most importantly, you expanded your community and you made some new friends.